Here I've got Realme 5 Pro, and let me show you how to clear contacts and call history on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and here pick the very last option, which is backup and reset. And here select reset to factory settings, and from the following options you have to pick clear the contacts and call history on this phone. So it's right here, tap here, and if you really want to do it, just click on this red tab named call the contacts and call history on this phone. And then you have to confirm it again. Just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so you have to be 100% sure that you want to do it. Just click here, and that's it. As you can see, the contacts and call history on this phone have been cleared. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.